So we're really having problems with this synthesis paper. I'm wondering if it's the term, or I'm wondering if it's just because we haven't done really anything traditional in this course yet. This course is pretty new and it's pretty modern, so there's been lots of creative things. So if you want, you can think of this as a mini essay if that helps you. Okay, because synthesis means, if you think about the Q chart quadrant, the types of questioning you want to ask, synthesis is the highest level. So in this paper, I don't want to know if you know who the characters are. I don't want to know if you know what the conflict is. I don't want to know if you know what the setting is. I want you to start making some connections, okay? Now, for this synthesis paper, now keep in mind that this course is meant to be taught in 5 months. If it was being taught in 5 months, we would be doing each reader's journal with a synthesis paper. So we would be doing that 4 times. But because we only have, 21 days to do this, we have to sort of condense. So that's why sometimes there seems like there might be a gap. That's why. So synthesis is, I want you to see now, because this should be halfway through your novel, really, right? Because yesterday, the Reader's Journal was a quarter of your novel. This should be halfway through your novel. So yesterday's focus was narrative voice. Today's focus is characterization. So you could start dissecting the characters. You may choose to focus on the protagonist and antagonist. You might choose to focus only on one or the other. You might choose to focus on minor characters, but who are pivotal for some reason. And I don't want to see that you know who they are and what their names are and what their jobs are, but I want you to show me how that character influences the other narrative elements. And what I mean by narrative elements are the setting, the plot, the voice, the conclusion, all of those different things, the dialogue, okay, the use of literary devices, so all those things. So how is that character influential? Now, you only have 500 words, so that's not a lot of space or time. So you might have a quick little intro, 2 body paragraphs, and a quick conclusion. Make sure, though, that you have some quotations in there. I want to see that you can return to the text and you can cite from the text to support your argument. So I'll be looking for an MLA Works Cited. Okay? If you don't know how to do that, go to Purdue OWL. It's a university, Purdue University. They have an excellent site. Okay? So think of it in those terms. So you're sort of halfway through. So tell me about the characterization and how is it fueling the story forward? How is it, developing the theme? How is it adding to the symbolism? How is it advancing the plot? All of those different things. So 500 words, that's what your goal is. Make sure it's proofread very well. Think about the things that you've been talking about in your discussions as well. Hopefully your discussion groups have been going well today. I haven't looked at them. I'm about to do that now to see who the winner is for today. So maybe go back there and find some evidence as well. Okay, so I hope that clarifies. So don't be freaked out about this. It's 500 words. 500 words is very, very small. Okay, but make it poignant. Make every word count. I hope that clarifies.